Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to create a second tryout of the BMW XM redesign. Before we start, I would like to mention some of the key points of this redesign. On the one hand, I want to keep the feeling of the design like its edginess and its freshness. But on the other hand, I want to change its proportions and certain elements like lamps, grills, intakes, and adjust it more towards the current X7. I definitely think that the proportions of the XM are out of balance, even though its design is still quite new and fresh. So, like in the last attempt, I sketch with the accent color on the darker layer to visualize my ideas and directions where I want to go with my design. My next step is to copy the grille and the lights and roughly resize it and place it where they could be. Another big change is to separate the grille from all the other elements like lights and intakes and lower block graphic. With larger front lights, I wanted to get rid of the splitted lights like on the original XM Concept, and at the same time improve the proportions of the lights compared to other parts of the car. I try to work only on the right side of front and later mirror it. In that way, it's easier to create some new ideas and get approximately correct appearance of the car. In the process, I'm working with a path tool in Photoshop, which allows me to be very precise with the execution of my design. Let me know in the comment section below how you like the second attempt of the XM redesign. Please hit the like button and consider to subscribe to my channel, as I really want to deliver more new ideas and alternative design versions. Thank you all for your support and see you in the next video.